Everybody is looking for a quick fix for their Nissan Rogue key fob issues. You're in the right place. Hey there, Nissan Rogue owners. If your key fob isn't working, don't worry. Let's break it down. First, check a dead battery is the most common culprit. You can find a replacement CR 2032 battery at most stores. Pop open the fob, swap out the battery, and see if that does the trick. Next, let's try the fob. Get in your car and close all the doors. Insert the key into the ignition, but don't start the car. Quickly insert and remove the key 6 times within 10 seconds. The hazard lights should flash. Now insert the key again and turn it to the ACC position. Press any button on the key fob and you should be good to go. Still not working? It might be try using a spare fob if you have one. If the spare works, you know it's the original fob that's faulty. Lastly, if all else fails, it might be an issue with in this case, you'll need to visit your local dealership or a trusted mechanic. And there you have it. Troubleshooting your Nissan Rogue key fob is simple. Start with the battery, try reprogramming, test a spare, and if needed, get professional help. Thanks for watching and happy driving. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any questions in the comments below. See you next time.